Good morning, my dear students, and welcome to class number 12. In previous class, I will recall we have already discussed some points about electric field. Yes or no? That means recall. First point, very important points we have already discussed. First point is what? The direction of force or direction of field is same with direction of force. Suppose the point is here, charge is positive charge here at some distance x or r, etc. Here positive charge, it is the source charge. Here the point P, here it is the charge is suppose Q0. Yes or no? We have to show that due to source charge, electric field is at point P is what? Yes or no? So we have known whenever this point is Q0, its test charge is placed at a point P, then force exerted on this point is this direction. Yes or no? We have already discussed about it. Yes or no? That means force exerted on test charge Q0 in this direction. Yes or no? That means some points are we have already written. The direction of field, direction of force is equal to direction of field. Yes or no? This is the main point. Whenever this is the point charge, this is the positive charge. Whenever this positive charge here, that means force is exerted on this direction. Force is this direction and electric field is this direction. Due to that means this electric field is created due to source charge. Yes or no? This electric field created due to source charge. Yes or no? That means about this explanation, the positive charge, whenever positive charge, the field direction is this direction. Field direction is this direction. Yes or no? Field direction is this direction. Field direction is this direction. Yes or no? That means it is also called as lines of force. I will discuss. इसके बाद में लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स बारे में कुछ कहूंगा. Yes or no? So whenever positive charge is here, the electric field, direction of electric field is outward. Yes or no? Outward. Suppose the source charge is the negative charge. Source charge is negative charge. Suppose this point P, here test charge is, but we have to remember the test charge. We have to think the test charge is positive charge. Yes or no? Test charge is positive charge. Here source charge is negative charge. Here point charge is Q0. Test charge is Q0. But force exerted on test charge is in which direction? Direction is in this direction. Yes or no? That means force due to source charge, due to positive source charge, force is in this direction. Source is negative charge, force is this direction. Due to, we have already known or we have already discussed, it is the Coulomb force, and already discussed the direction of force. Yes or no? So this force exerted on this point charge in this direction, leftward direction, due to source negative source charge. Due to positive source charge, field direction is here. We have already known, second point is already written. The direction of field is equal to direction of force. That means direction of force, direction of field. Similarly, direction of force, direction of field. That means here, when negative charge is here, for field direction is what? Yes or no? Field direction is yes or no? It is already lines of force. This I will discuss about the lines of force. इसके बाद में पढ़ूंगे. ठीक है. This is the same. This is the very important point. Yes or no? So note down. But now we will discuss at any point what is the value of electric field. That means you can make a heading electric field at any point due to source charge. Yes or no? Suppose source charge is the, we have taken positive charge. Yes or no? This, suppose a test charge is placed at a distance x, q0. This point is p, this direction is x distance. Due to positive source charge, the electric field at a point p is what? Yes or no? Due to positive source charge, the electric field at a point p is what? You can write, suppose a test charge q0 is placed, suppose a test charge, just I will mistake, suppose a source charge q is placed at origin O. This point is named as O, this point is P. Placed at origin O. In distance x from point P. Suppose a source charge, you can write, suppose a source charge plus q is placed at origin O in distance x from point P. Listen, but we have to determine electric field at point P due to source charge q. We take a test charge at point P. Yes or no? So you can write, we take a test charge at point P. Yes or no? So after write this point, we have to discuss field at point P. Determine the field at point P due to source charge plus Q. We know due to Coulomb's law, due to Coulomb force, Coulomb force. F is what? F is beta q0 by x square. Yes or no? But before this expression, or class 11 or class 10, we have already discussed the force exerted due to placing of test charge at point P. The value of force exerted on this test charge. What is the value? So F is what? F is already known into Q into E. Yes or no? So F we have written or we will write instead of F is what? QE is equal to beta Q0 by x square. Yes or no? QQ is the this charge is what? Q0. Suppose it is Q0. Yes or no? So is what? Beta Q by x square. This is the scalar form. Vector form we can write E vector is equal to beta Q by x square into x unit vector. Yes or no? So we have to find or we found from this expression E proportional to 1 by x square. Yes or no? So graph is what? So E x, the graph is here. Yes or no? So you can write. So electric field at a point P we have already known. So after this point we have to discuss superposition of electric field. Make a heading: superposition of electric field. Superposition of electric field. Suppose the frame of reference is here. Here suppose here Q1 is present, here Q2 is present, here Q3 is present. Yes or no? Suppose we have to choose the point P. Yes or no? Suppose this is the positive charge, this is also positive charge, all are positive charge. We have to know, we have known already due to single point charge, we choose a point P at a distance x. Here is the electric field is what? E is equal to beta Q by x square. Yes or no? Due to source charge, electric field is equal to beta Q by x square. This field at a point P. Field is what? Beta Q by x square. This point is a distance x from source charge plus Q. Yes or no? But it is the electric field due to only single charge. But in superposition of electric field, we have to determine the electric field at a point P due to multi number of force. Suppose here Q1. Suppose we have to think the Q1 is the single positive charge. Due to Q1 charge, field is what? This direction. This field is named as suppose E1 because E1 is named because due to Q1 charge. Q1, Q2, Q3. Yes or no? Similarly, due to Q2 charge, field is what? This point. Due to Q2 charge, field at a point P is what? In this direction. That is named as E2. Yes or no? Similarly, Q3. Due to Q3, the point is what? Point P. Due to Q3 charge, the electric field at a point is what? This direction E3. Yes or no? So point P due to Q1 charge. First of all, line joining between point and source charge. Yes or no? This point is P, the source charge Q1 is here. So this point, line joining this point line is what? This point to this point. This line is extends. This line is extends. This extends line is direction with E1 field. Yes or no? So due to Q1, electric field is this direction. Due to Q2, electric field this direction. Due to Q3, the electric field is this direction. Because whenever positive source charge, electric field is outward. So that's why the electric field is this one. But we have to know at point P, E1 is here, E2 is here, E3 is here. But resultant electric field is what? So here the resultant field is resultant field FR, sorry, ER. ER is what? ER is vector sum. We have already known, you have already known in first year physics. The net electric field, net electric force or net force, suppose this direction A, this direction B, this direction C, you have already known the resultant force is what? Yes or no? It is the vector sum of individual force. Individual vector. A vector is in this direction, B vector, C vector. So resultant vector is what? Vector sum of A vector plus B vector plus C vector. So we can write ER vector is equal to E1 vector plus E2 vector plus E3 vector. At n number of charge, E resultant is what? E1 vector plus E2 vector plus E3 vector En vector. Yes or no? This is the superposition of electric field. Suppose we take the electric field due to two electric field are present. Whenever three electric field, here are n number of electric field. Suppose two electric field are there different direction. Then how to determine the net electric field at this point? Yes or no? So suppose we take two electric field. Yes or no? Suppose the electric field E1 in this direction. Suppose E2, the angle between E1 and E2 is theta. Suppose the net electric field ER is what? E1 vector plus E2 vector plus ER magnitude is what? E1 square plus E2 square plus 2E1 E2 cosine angle between E1 and E2. This one is the one method. Another method is available. Another method is what? Another method is the shortcut method. You can use in entrance, NEET, JEE, etc. Yes or no? Suppose another method, the E1 is the E2. Suppose this is the theta 1, this is the theta 2. This is the horizontal, this is the vertical. Suppose E1 this direction, theta is horizontal. E1 at angle theta 1 to horizontal. That means E1 theta is the theta 1. This angle is E2. This side is what? E1 cos theta 1. Yes or no? This is vertical line is what? E1 sin theta 1. Yes or no? Similarly, E2 is here. That means in this line due to E2 is what? E2 cos theta 2. This line is the E2 sin theta. Yes or no? So redraw here. So the E1 in this direction, in this horizontal line, E1 cos theta 1 and E2 cos theta 1. So net is E1 cos theta 1 plus E2 cos theta 2. Yes or no? Here vertical direction upward is E1 sin theta 1, downward is E2 sin theta 2. If E1 sin theta 1 is greater than E2 sin theta 2, then resultant is what? In this direction, because E1 sin theta 2 is greater. E1 sin theta 1 is greater than E2 sin theta 2. Suppose the direction A is here, here B is here. Here A greater than B, the resultant is A minus B in this direction. In this direction, A minus B. Yes or no? Suppose B greater than A, B minus A, this direction means B minus A. Yes or no? Suppose E1 sin theta 1 greater than E2 sin theta 2. So in this direction, vector is what? E1 sin theta 1 minus E2 sin theta 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? So the resultant this direction is what? Resultant is what? A and B. Resultant is what? A square plus B square root 2. Because A square plus B square plus 2AB cos angle between A and B is 90 degree. So cos 90 is 0. So R is equal to A square plus B square root 2. Yes or no? So this is the Pythagoras formula to find the resultant at this point. Resultant of electric field at point P is what? This square plus this square root over. Yes or no? So resultant again I will recall the net electric field at this point is equal to root over of this square plus this square. Yes or no? So it is the another method of two electric field at an angle theta 1 and theta 2. Theta 1 plus theta 2. The angle between E1 and E2 is theta 1 plus theta 2. Yes or no? So, but the direction of net electric field, how can I find? Yes or no? रिजल्टेंट तो मिल गया बट डायरेक्शन नहीं मिला, क्या करेंगे? वी हैव ऑलरेडी नोन E1 E2, तो डायरेक्शन थीटा, थीटा 1 और थीटा 2 और थीटा E1 square plus E2 square plus 2E1 E2 cos theta root over. This one, this is the magnitude of resultant electric field. But direction is what? Direction of which what? Direction already you have already known your first year class. A is here, yes or no? B is here. Resultant is what? Suppose you have already known, yes or no? The B vector is the A vector. The direction, this is the resultant. The angle between is the beta. Yes or no? So total is the theta. It is also theta. AB theta. It is B. It is what? B sin theta. It is what? B cos theta. Yes or no? So resultant tan B. B is equal to, you have already known in first year class. Tan B is what? B sin theta divided by, this is what? A plus B cos theta. B means tan inverse. B means tan inverse B sin theta divided by B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Similarly, in electric field, in net direction of electric field is what? Beta is equal to tan inverse what? BE1 sin theta divided by E2 plus E1 cos theta. This is the direction of net electric field. This one, suppose net electric field is this direction. Resultant electric field this direction. That means the base is what? Base is E2. E2 angle is beta. And this angle is beta is what? Tan inverse E1 sin theta 1 divided by E2 plus E1 cos theta. you have already known, you have already discussed, you have already known in your first year class, first year physics. Yes or no? But now I will discuss about one important point. But this point we have already forget. That means वो छोटा पॉइंट में छोड़ दिया था. याद करो क्लास नंबर 11 में जो पॉइंट में बोला था, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स इज सेम विद डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, बट सेकंड पॉइंट इज बोला था द नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इनसाइड द चार्ज कंडक्टर इज जीरो. ये सुन, बट ये मैं भूल गया था बताने के लिए, अभी मैं बता रहा हूं. ये सुन, look here, electric field inside the charge conductor is zero. It is the important point, but how it is proved? How it is proved? Here you can see, suppose the charge conductor is the positive charge conductor. Positive charge conductor, that means the net charge is positive. That means proton. Suppose the proton is here. Yes or no? Proton is here. This proton, look here. This is the proton. This proton means positive charge. This, due to this charge, electric field is what? In this direction. Electric field is what? This direction. This point charge, this is the proton. This is the positive charge. This is the positive charge also. Due to this charge, electric field is what? The electric field is what? Similarly, electric field is due to this charge, electric field is this direction. Due to this charge, electric field is this direction. Yes or no? I will record. Suppose charge conductor is here. The proton is available. Suppose. Due to, suppose, the proton means maximum number of protons are present or number of electrons are present, but we have to think the positive charge body, the net charge is positive, so we have to take the positive proton. Positive charge means proton. That means this is the positive charge. Due to positive charge, at this point, electric field is what? Here. Due to positive charge, electric field point is here. In this direction, here. In this direction. Due to positive charge, the direction of electric field is what? In this direction. Due to positive charge, electric field is what? This direction. But this point also, due to positive charge, electric field at point this is what? This direction. Due to charge, field at a point is what? This direction. But in similar nature, that means similar construction, that means proton are identical. That means this is identical means this charge is same. Proton the 1.6 in 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. The same charge due to same field is created. Due to this point, that means due to this charge field is here. Due to this charge field is here. What is the cancel each other? Similarly, this cancel each other. Another number of proton, number of positive charge is present inside the charge conductor. The net electric field is zero because the electric field created by one single point charge. The net electric field is cancel each other and net electric field is zero because due to creating of electric field of one single point charge with respect to other, the net electric field, total number of electric field, the cancel each other. Similarly, this electric field here cancel each other. That means electric field is created at only single charge, but number of charge are available in this field, but number of electric field available in this field. But this electric field is opposite each other due to consider two electric charge. Consider two electric charge. So due to this charge, electric field is here. Due to this charge, the electric field is here. But electric field is opposite each other. So the is cancel each other. So number of charge is present. The number of electric field is cancel each other due to identical shape of charge. So the net electric field in the charge conductor is zero. It is the one method you can imagine, and another method is available you can imagine is what? Suppose the charge conductor, it is the charge here, proton charge is present, but so atom consists of electron, proton, neutron, but we have to think the proton is present. Proton in this proton, the direction of this proton or direction of this positive charge is very small. That means it is the less than of 10 to the power